Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Corsair headset instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Corsair headset, begin by unboxing the device. Locate the USB receiver if you are using a wireless headset. For wired headsets, you will find a 3.5mm audio jack. Plug the USB receiver into an available USB port on your computer. If your headset is wired, insert the 3.5mm audio jack into the headphone port. Ensure the headset is charged if it's wireless. Power on the headset by pressing the power button, usually located on the ear cup. For wireless models, check the LED indicator, it should light up. Next, access your computer's sound settings. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar. Select Sounds from the drop-down menu. In the sound settings, navigate to the Playback tab. Look for your Corsair headset in the list of available devices. If it is not set as default, right-click it and select Set as Default Device. Now, confirm that the headset is working by playing audio. Adjust the volume directly on the headset if needed. For additional features, such as microphone settings, return to the sound settings. Select the Recording tab to locate your headset's microphone. Ensure it is enabled and set as the default recording device. Run a quick test by speaking into the microphone. If you hear your voice through the headset, you are all set. For advanced settings, consider downloading the Corsair ICUE software. This software allows you to customize audio settings and control RGB lighting. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open ICUE to explore additional features. After customization, your Corsair headset is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.